Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to make the easiest DIY bead bracelets and bead keychains. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to see how you too can create beautiful bead bracelets and keychains within 3 minutes. To make the bead bracelets, you'll need stretchy elastic strings, pair of scissors, beads, letter beads, glow-in-the-dark beads, clay beads. Some of my beads here are reused and collected from my old beads necklaces or bracelets that I no longer use. First, measure the length of the stretchy elastic strings you need. Here I'm measuring to about 6 thumb length size. Second, insert the beads into the string and arrange it to your desire. It is very simple to do. Here we are making a bracelet for my daughter's friend, Kristen. As you can see here, my daughter Grace is taking part in inserting the beads into the string, and it helps to improve on her motor skills and pattern making. Third, make sure that the pattern is equal on both sides of the focal beads or pattern. Here I added one more of the spacer beads to make it equal on both sides. Fourth, make a knot as usual. Make sure it is nice and tight. Lastly, make another knot like so. Make a knot as usual, but do not pull it yet. Instead, we loop one end over the other like so. Do it one more time. Now go ahead and pull it. Make it nice and tight. Cut off the excess. Now go ahead and put your cute bead bracelets into a nice package. Voila! Here is your DIY bead bracelets. How cute is it? So easy to do within few minutes. To make the bead keychains, you'll need a 1mm elastic string. The string is sturdier and less stretchier compared to the string you use for the bracelets. Key ring and chain parts to link it to a charm or any decoration piece you desire. Frosted beads, you can buy these from Temu. I love Temu. They have great affordable items. New Temu users, take advantage of my discount code. See description below. First, loop your elastic string through your key ring, measure the ends and make a knot like so. What you want is to have some gaps between the key ring and your knot so that it can move around easily. Second, insert your beads to your liking. Here, to customize my keychain, I've selected matte pastel colors with the word but. This is to remind myself that there will always be a but in whatever we do. However, sometimes we just gotta be free and go for it. Third, make a knot. My personal preference is a small tiny gap between the last bead and the knot, just so that the keychain is not too tight. Finally, cut off any excess. Attach this beautiful charm, a glass tumbler drink with straw. Voila! Here is your beautiful DIY bead keychains. Give it a try. It is truly so fun and easy to make these. Here are some of the keychains that I made and love it so much. This is my Skittles Pop with vibrant color combination. This is my Candy Hello Kitty keychain, Blue Biker keychain, and Cutie Q keychain. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. You will be glad that you did. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy DIY videos. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.